Hey, this is Shanika with Royal Statements, and here I am showing you how I add tabs to my planner. So I'm getting my materials set out. I have some glossy paper that I cards out that I got from Michaels, my planner that was created and designed using my AI art and also using Canva, and I punched the holes using my ARC system for the disc bound circles, and then I am going to use a tab. It's an actual machine called Tab, and this is what you use to punch the holes. I got it from Hobby Lobby for about $15.99, as you can see right there. I have been using it for some years, and I love it. Absolutely love it. So this is how your tabs come out, and this covers it when you punch the paper, so therefore you don't lose your tabs after they've been punched out. So this is a glossy gold paper I decided to use to kind of match the planner. So as you can see, I'm just using my tab machine to punch holes in the paper. And I'm doing double because I want my tab to be that glossy gold on the front and on the back. So you have to do more than just one if you want to. My preference, my choice. Hey, you do what you decide you think is best for you. So you can dump it out and place the top back on. I did this because I did not want my tab to get clogged up and, make it hard for me to punch my holes. So I am just counting to see how many I've already punched out, and then I will continue punching my holes until I get the magic number that I need to go ahead and add to my planner. Having the tabs is something that's nice to offer your customers because they can just grab that tab and flip over to where they want to be. So again, just dumping out the punch tabs that I have already collected inside the tab machine. So going to my pages, and then I will just add the tab. Now the tab, second part of it is a clear adhesive. It's a clear adhesive tape-like material. And so you have to be very, very careful when doing it to ensure that it does not get stuck to anything. These were ordered from Amazon. I paid about $7 from them. I did go to Hobby Lobby and could not find any there. I did not see any Michaels, so I decided to go the Amazon route. And this is what I am going to be using to adhere the tabs to the pages of the planner. So just peel it off, and this is how it looks. That's that clear portion right there. And then you just have to carefully grab your first part of your tab and line it up with the adhesive to make sure it is in line and to make sure that it can cover the material so that it stays in place and it will adhere to the tabs that were punched as well as the paper. So I'm making sure they're lined up correctly, pressing them together, and then also be sure to go careful when you place that tab on your paper because once it's there, it is there. And you have to ensure that you have it where you need to be because otherwise you'll be tearing your paper trying to pull it off. So here I am going for my next page. Same thing, just peeling it off, sticking it going ever so slow, sticking it, and there we go. So I'm still going through the process of adding the tabs. I do this for each section of the planner, but then I have to go back and make sure that they are lined up correctly and that there is enough spacing or spaced out how I would like it to be for the customer to use in their planner. So this is what you see me doing right here, just making sure that they are all lined up appropriately. Still flipping through my planner. And this is a teacher or educator planner. So you have different sections. You have your calendar section, you have your notes section, you have your meeting notes section. You also have your phone call log and confidential notes. So this will help educators, wherever, document things that happen during the school day to help keep them on track, to help protect themselves, and just to stay on top of things. So again, I'm still taking my time to add in my tabs, going slow and making sure that they're there. So this is what the rest of the video looks like. Please continue to watch, comment, ask any questions, and I'll be happy to help you. But the machine is called the Tab. Purchased from Hobby Lobby for about $15.99, and you also have to purchase the tab adhesives, and those are about $7 from Amazon. I've been using my tab for years now, and I love it because it is a quick and easy way. Instead of turning on a Cricut machine or a Silhouette, you can easily have your tabs created for you, and you can choose whatever paper you want to when you punch the holes. Of course, yes, this can be done using a cutting machine. However, I chose to take a shortcut and use my tab handheld puncher. But you decide what works best for you. All right, take care. Bye-bye.